Good morning to one and all. Today I would like to explain the concept Boolean algebra. The basic objective of the Boolean algebra is to understand the concept of Boolean algebra. Next, second objective is to understand the concept of simplification of Boolean expressions. The overall objective of the Boolean algebra is, first of all, to understand the Boolean algebra. Second one is Boolean expressions. Simplify the Boolean expressions. What is meant by Boolean algebra? There are different notations are used in Boolean algebra. First one is A and B. The symbolic notation of A and B is A dot B. Second one is A or B. That means A plus B. Not A. That means not of A. Simply here to use tilde symbol in computer language. There are different symbolic representations are there in Boolean expressions. First one is A dot A equal to A plus A equal to A, not A equal to 0, not A plus A equal to 1, A dot 1 equal to A plus 1 equal to 1, A dot 0 equal to 0, A plus 0 equal to A dot A plus B is equal to A dot B plus A plus B dot A dot of A plus B equal to A dot B plus B dot A. All these are the Boolean expressions. There are two different algorithms also used here. De Morgan theorems, not algorithms, De Morgan theorems. Two algorithms are introduced in De Morgan. First De Morgan theorem is sum of complement of two variables is equal to product of complement of those two variables. That is the first De Morgan theorem. That means A plus B complement equal to A complement dot B complement. Second algorithm is the product of complement of two variables equal to complement of sum of those two variables. That is the second De Morgan theorem. A dot B complement equal to A complement plus B complement. All these are the De Morgan theorems 1 and 2 theorems. These can be explained in digital electronics in different ways. Another important thing is you can understand computer always understandable by the binary numbers. For example, you are transmitting the data from the keyboard to the computer system, hi message. First, that can be converted into digital numbers, digits. Hi, the first letter H, second one is A, third one I. H8, A1, I9. H8, that meant for in binary codes 1000. A converts in binary code 0001. And then third one is I9, that means 1001. Simply the computer receives the raw data, hi message converted into binary code. The full form is hi can be converted into 819. After that it will be converted into 1000, 0001, 1001. This is binary code conversions. Next one is, we have seen that computer normally used binary numbers. In this chapter we learn about an algebra that deals with the binary number system. This algebra is called as Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is very useful in designing logic circuits used by the processors. Boolean algebra is very useful in designing logic circuits used by the processors of computer system. In computer system, the basic computer processor can be designed with the help of different logical gates and or not, NAND, NOR gate. Different universal gates are also useful for designing the processors in the computer system. Additionally, different applications are used by using digital logic gates. For example, railway traffic system based on the logic gates. In addition to this, we will also learn about the elementary logic gates that are used to build up circuits of different types to perform the necessary arithmetic operations. These logic gates are used to build blocks of all the circuits in computers. Basically, three logic gates are there: AND, OR, NOT gate. These three basics are very much useful for designing two separate gates, NAND and NOR gates. All these are the gates. These gates are very much useful for designing universal building blocks. Finally, in this chapter, we also learn how to use the Boolean algebra to design simple logic circuits, frequently used by the arithmetic logic unit of almost all computer systems. So, we can understand here, finally, all Boolean algebra are very much useful for designing the circuits in the computer CPU. Very less number of circuits are used for designing the computer system. Basically, ALU can perform all arithmetical operations. These arithmetical operations can be performed by using logical operations. Those logical operations are always based on these logic gates. Next one, George Boole is the scientist's name. He introduced in an algebra, that is a Boolean algebra, in the year of 1854. George Boole is the scientist. He designed Boolean algebra in the year of 1854. Basically, he is a mathematician. He designed separate symbols for reducing the logical operations. Next one, every day we have to make logical decisions. For example, consider the following questions. First one is, should I carry the book or not? Second one, should I use calculator or not? Last one, should I miss TV program or not? To observe here, day-to-day life, to use separate questions, on or off, true or false, yes or no conditions are applied on the Boolean equations. These are based on the decisions, binary decisions. These binary decisions can work on Boolean algebra. Here, false statements defined as the 0 and true statement always defined as the 1. These two symbols are very important to use to design the logic gates in Boolean algebra. Basically, false statement defined as 0 and a true statement is defined as 1. Next one is the logical operations. How many types of logical operations are used here? There are some specific operations that can be applied on truth functions. Before learn about these operations, we must know about the compound logical functions and the logical operations. Basic gates are AND, OR and NOT. These are the basic gates. Whenever we want to design the basic gates, you must use some special variables A, B, C and X, Y, Z are the special variables. These variables are used to design the compound statements. Logic functions also designed in these variables A, B, C and X, Y, Z. These two types of variables are used for designing the compound statements in Boolean algebra. These variables most properly used in the basic gates. Next one is the logical operations. Truth table is a table which represents all of the possible values of logical variables or statements along with all the possible results for the given combination of values. Truth table is the table which represents all the possible values of the logical variables or statements along with all possible results for the given combination of values. Basically, two values are given to the input variables and the result will be displayed on the third variable. A and B are the input variables and x is equal to a plus b is the equation. Basically, this is the OR operation. The input four values are given. A equal to 0, b equal to 0, x gets 0. A equal to 0, b equal to 1, x gets 1. A equal to 1, b equal to 0, x gets 1. A equal to 1, b equal to 1, x gets 1. Here x is the expression, x is equal to a plus b is the expression. That is the simplification of Boolean expression. Already you know that this time of starting in this topic. To understand the concept of simplification of Boolean algebra, Boolean expressions, that is the second objective of this concept. Next one is logical operations. Here two statements are very, very important. First one is tautology, second one is fallacy. Tautology means if results of any logical statement or expression is always true, then it is called tautology or 1. Fallacy means if the result is always false, then it is called fallacy. Then we call it a 0. These two statements are very much useful for explain the concept of Boolean algebra. Next, three types of basic operations are used in Boolean algebra. First one is NOT operation. This operation operates on single variable, and operation performed by NOT operator is called complement, and the system and the symbol we have to use it for the complement symbol. A NOT operation can be performed on a single variable. For example, A is the input, the output gets A complement. To generate, to design the truth table in NOT gate, A is the first column, x equal to A complement is the second column. When A equal to 0, A complement is 1. When A equal to 1, A complement is 0. This NOT operator is also called as inverter. Okay. Next one, NOT operations. 0 equal to 1, 1 equal to 0. These are the basic universal values are displayed on the screen on the truth table. Several other symbols are used. Basically, computers language tilde symbol are used for designing the NOT gate or inverter. Some Venn diagrams also used for designing the NOT operations. NOT operation is a singular or unary operation as it operates on single variables. Venn diagrams for X is given below, where shaded area depicts X. Inside the circle defines the A, out circle A defines A complement. That is the basic explanation for the Venn diagrams. Next one is the OR operation. The second operation is the OR operation. Whenever the output values of A and B equal to 0, then X equal to 0. Whenever the input of any one of the input is 1, the output gets 1. That is the basic definition for OR operation. When A equal to 0, B equal to 0, X equal to A plus B equal to 0. When A equal to 0, B equal to 1, X is equal to 1. When A equal to 1, B equal to 0, then output is equal to 1. When A equal to 1, B equal to 1, output gets 1. That is the basic operation for OR. Next one, OR operation always applied on the Venn diagrams. Circle A defines the blue color or red color, whatever it is, any color you should use. Circle B also used the same color to overlap those two Venn diagrams to form OR operation A plus B. Already you know that in mathematics statements chapter we will discuss the Venn diagrams. A plus B symbols also used. Those operations are very much useful for Boolean expressions in digital electronics. Last one is AND operations. AND operation performs another important operation of the Boolean algebra called logical multiplication, and the symbol for AND operations is dot operations. Thus, x comma y we will read as x and y. The result for this AND operation are, to examine the basic truth table, x, y and x dot y are a, b and a dot b. When a equal to 0, b equal to 0, the output gets x dot y or b dot y, a dot b is equal to 0. Because this is a multiplication operation. Here any one of the input is 0, the output gets 0. When both two inputs are 1, the output gets 1. That is the fundamental statement for AND operation. When a equal to 0, b equal to 0, output a dot b equal to 0. When a equal to 0, b equal to 1, a dot b, that means 0 dot 1 equal to 0. When a equal to 1, b equal to 0, that means a dot b, 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. When a equal to 1 and b equal to 1, a dot b gets 1. To observe all the truth tables among AND, OR and NOT operations, to perform complement operation on the NOT operation and plus addition operation on the OR gate, OR operation, and dot multiplication operation on the AND operations. So all these are the basic Boolean algebra. So majorly we should learn here to understand the Boolean algebra. Second one is to understand the concept of simplification of Boolean expressions. Boolean algebra is also used for designing the computer logic circuits in CPU. ALU, you know that ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. All arithmetical operations as well as logical operations can be performed by using the basic unit in the CPU is arithmetic and logic unit. These units can be designed with the help of Boolean expressions and Boolean algebra. Whenever we want to use Boolean algebra and Boolean expressions, we must need some basic operations. Those operations are called as logical operations. Those logical operations can be identified in different ways. One is NOT operation, second one is AND operation, third one is OR operation. These three operations are basic operations for designing the Boolean expressions. And also in any computer system you can give any type of input, the computer can receive only binary codes. So the important bit is here, any type of language can be given to the computer system. Computer system can understand only binary numbers. Those binary numbers can be designed in number system. These number system can be implemented in digital electronics, that is a DE. Here to use basic logic gates, AND, OR, NOT, NOR gate, NAND gate. Those gates are very much useful for designing the railway traffic system, to controlling railway traffic. This is the basic application of logic gates. Okay students, thank you.